shot. I'm in a little garden. I love it. It's like a candy house. I love it. So I got these scissors. I'm using these for cutting up the notes that I take as I'm working on some stuff, and then so when you get spring notes, you know, sometimes you get these skunky parts. So I use scissors to cut them, and then I just put the fresh papers into these file holders and things like that. So that's what they're for. So there's that. Got my deodorant. Hygiene is important for me, as I said. And here's a marker, big marker. I don't know if I will declutter it or keep it. So where I'm going, there's a bunch of stationery as well, but I thought I might need it to mark the boxes and stuff like that. So far, I haven't needed it, and if I don't use it by the time I leave, I'm going to declutter it. So there's that. Here's my kitchen items. I told you guys that I'm going to keep these, the foldable knife and this bowl. I love this bowl. Look at it. It goes well with my clam. And then here's the box tape. I got it so that I can like tape up the boxes. I'm not going to keep the box tape because I rarely use box tapes, and it's like $2. I can always get it again. Someone else can have that. And then here's the kitchen scissors. Now I might declutter one of these, but I haven't really felt the urge to, because it was nice having like extra scissors actually, just to carry around a light one. And this one I can use to cut my asparagus when I'm cooking, because I cut asparagus a lot. And yeah, the box is empty. Over here is my makeup box. I know you guys have seen this makeup box already. And I actually keep a bunch of miscellaneous items in here as well. But for now, there's like a nose pack. There's my makeup. Since I'm moving, my pouch is a little bit different. I'm keeping like smaller items that can get lost easily in here. There's like an entry card for an apartment. Here's my hand cream for my messed up hand, which is actually getting a lot better. You see? It's like, now that I'm not shampooing a whole bunch, it's getting better, so I feel great about that. And then my makeup, my eyeliner, my mascara, my eyebrow pencil, my concealer that I use kind of like as a foundation. And then got $1 in here. Let's see, what else? The smaller tape. I might keep this just in case, just because it's really light. And I use smaller tapes a lot more than I use box tapes, so that's that. And then here's another iPhone charger cable that I use whenever I'm using my laptop. So it's got like a USB port, you can do that. My driver's license, another card, my ID card, tweezer and magnifying glass. I got 2 of the whiteouts. I got 2 whiteouts because I forgot that I had one of them. You know, even with as little items that I own, I still lose track. So it's kind of silly, but because I am using a lot of whiteouts these days, as I'm making notes and stuff like that, I will keep these. And then here's my earphones for my laptop, because it's got this regular, what do you call it, jack instead of like the iPhone jack. Now I do like iPhone, it's really easy to edit things with, but since like I don't really have a converter and I have to use a different earphone, that's kind of a bummer. But again, like when I'm on my phone, because I only use iPhone 7, so it's not even like the greatest iPhone ever. But I use that to communicate, and as some of you know, if you had an iPhone 7, you know that there's only one port for charging and listening to music. So I cannot listen to music and charge at the same time, so usually when I'm on my laptop, I'll listen to music using this, and I'll just be charging my phone. Is that right? You charging my phone? There are a bunch of keys here, a couple coins, ooh, 80 cents. Money! Penny saved, penny earned. There's like a banking converter thing, USB drive, 2 pen, like 1 extra pen filler thing, 1 rubber band. I don't know why I keep it, but I'll keep it. It doesn't bother me too much. And so I'm gonna put these in here. And over here, I got my mask. Wear your mask, people. I've been watching the news, and it looks like there's a lot of like new variant of coronavirus, and I think like a lot of the people are just accepting it as like some kind of cold that you just have to deal with. But you know, like it's good to be safe. I don't know, I don't want to get too political, but there's a mask here. And over here is my coloring bleach and developer. Now, I was this close to decoloring these this morning, because I wasn't sure if like the job offer to teach at the university in September is still on, but I literally went to the post office, and after shipping those 2 boxes, I called the main professor who's like in charge of kind of hiring over there, and I called her, hey, are we still on for September? And she's like, why do you need to ask again? I already told you you're in for it. If you weren't, I would have called you, so like get ready for it and prepare for it. I was like, oh my god, thank you. So I think I am going to be using these because the class that I'm going to be teaching this time will be hair coloring class. And you guys, I don't know, some of you might have seen that I do love making like beauty content as well, and but professional beauty content, and I love like colors, hair colors, so it's very exciting for me. So that's that. So I'm going to keep this, it's kind of like my work material, and I will buy more supplies as I go on and if I need it. And over here is my little carry-on bag and my workout mask and my running shoes. Woohoo! That. Use that for the gym every day. And here is my suitcase. Woohoo! And over here, just more books, more notes, and yeah. That is everything as far as the items that I'm keeping, you guys. Did you guys like it? Now I'm keeping my fingers crossed that I can actually show you guys how to fold my clothes, and that will all be included in one video. But if not, I would like to say an outro here just in case. Thank you so much for watching always. 500 plus subscribers, you guys are making me very, very happy. We're in this together. Thank you so much in every way. I hope you have a great day. And if you stick around, I'll show you guys how I fold my clothes. Thank you. Mm.